Alright, today I'm reviewing the Dr. Different VITA-A Forte Retinoid Cream. And really quick, this is my rapid review, and stay tuned for more details on each criteria in a moment. So, okay, no issues with the packaging, no issues with alcohol, no issues with fragrance, no issues with the manufacturing location. Very easy to use, no issues with the beneficial ingredients and antioxidants. I did give them a thumbs down for animal testing. Give them a thumbs up for performance, a thumbs down for price, and a thumbs down for the it factor. It gets a 7 out of 10. They say about this, those that need an extra boost to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles and really firm up skin will love the Dr. Different VITALIFT Forte. This version has double the retinol of the VITALIFT-A at 0.1%, making for a more intense treatment. Packaging has changed a little bit, so this one's just the older packaging, so keep that in mind. But otherwise, I will link to this one below. I've been meaning to review it for quite some time. I've been testing a little bit on my face and a little bit on my hands as well, which could use all the help they can get with aging. So, yeah, my poor hands. And then I did buy, Prequel sells these gloves, you know. So I bought those for summer. It kind of covers your hands up from the sun. So I'm excited to try those this spring. Okay, in terms of packaging, no issues with that. It's a plastic squeeze tube, very easy to use, easy for travel as well. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent to it, which is wonderful. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. It's got a really nice lotiony gel-type texture to it, so there we go.
Slow down.
So no issues with that. It's got the texture of it is actually quite nice and feels really nice and hydrating. And my poor beat up hand, which was chewed on by my hairdresser's puppy, which I was okay with as long as the puppy didn't destroy my clothes or my bag or my shoes. My hands will heal in time. They already look bad enough, so. Okay, so no issues with that. So you can use this. I recommend using this one in your evening routine. Personally, when it comes to retinoids and actives, other than vitamin C, I think evening is the time to do it. And then be sure to use sunscreen during the daytime. So if you're new to retinoid products, start slow. I'd start using this once every couple days, couple nights, I mean. So maybe use it twice a week, and then as your skin acclimates to it, start using it more and more often. Just start out slow and build up. Or you could mix it with a moisturizer, all of that good stuff, but start out slow. So otherwise, it layers pretty nicely under other products and things like that. It definitely has a very radiant finish. But at night, it's, who cares, I guess, right? Okay, so beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got safflower seed oil, which is an emollient and antioxidant. It contains a lot of fatty acids. Probably why it's so shiny. We've got squalane, antioxidant. Rapeseed sterols, emollient. Shea butter, good antioxidant emollient ingredient. We've got cholesterol and ceramide NP. Skin identical ingredients that help with barrier repair and hydration. We've got humectant, sodium hyaluronate. We've got polyglutamic acid, which is another good moisturizing ingredient. Vitamin E, emollient and antioxidant. Oleic acid, emollient. We've got 0.1% retinal, also known as retinal hide, a good retinoid, type of vitamin A. Stronger version. It's stronger than retinol, but weaker than retinoic acid or tretinoin, all of that stuff. So, strong version, very nice, helps with wrinkles, fine lines, firming skin, preventing acne and breakouts, smoothing skin and brightening skin. Retinol for anti-aging is the gold standard. It's also one of the best products for acne-prone skin as well, so very nice ingredient. I'm loving seeing these K-beauty brands using it lately, because for a long time, I think in Korea, it might be that they don't sell retinoid products there, or there's some law regarding it, but they can sell it here. I'll have to find out. I'm going to go there soon, so I'll keep you posted. We've got adenosine, cell communicating ingredients. So no issues with any of those. Really nice ingredient list. Yeah. Okay, so in terms of animal testing, I'm unable to find anything that states whether this brand is cruelty-free or not. They do mention somewhere that's not vegan, but I can't see, and I don't see anything on any of the cruelty-free websites like Ethical Elephant or Leaping Bunny or any of them that they mention this brand. So I'm not going to declare them cruelty-free. They don't declare themselves cruelty-free anywhere that I can see. If you have any comments, leave them below. I'll send the brand an email and see if they reach back out to me. So hopefully they do. Otherwise, if you have anything that, any evidence one way or the other, let me know. I mean, they're kind of a popular retinol, so I'm surprised that I wasn't able to find anything. Okay, in terms of performance, so I think this one's gentle because it's so hydrating. It's got so many hydrating ingredients. I mean, it's super radiant finish. Almost on the verge of being greasy, which is kind of okay with a retinol. I've actually been able to use this on my neck without any issues, which is nice. It seems to help plump up the skin. Also helps fade some fine lines, which is nice. For what the product promises, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, stimulating collagen production. In addition, the retinol is more efficient at exfoliating, contributing to brightening, brighter and more even skin. The result is youthful, supple skin. Those are their promises. It will do some of that. Retinol isn't really an exfoliating ingredient per se, so I wouldn't use it for that reason, but it does help brighten skin up, helps with a dull complexion, helps fight fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, so it will help with most of those. It really doesn't have any like brightening ingredients, but retinol in and of itself kind of helps with skin cell turnover as opposed to exfoliation really. So yeah, so it will help with most of those. It's definitely a big promise though. So this will work well for most skin types with the exception of most acne prone skin. So for acneogenic ingredients, it contains safflower seed oil, which is very acneogenic, squalane, a little bit, stearic acid, and vitamin E. So for most acne prone skin, it probably will be okay, with the exception of very reactive skin. Okay, in terms of the price, so when they changed the packaging from this package to the current one they use, they also reduced the amount of product in the tube. So this one before had 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. The current version has 20 milliliters and 0.7 ounces, and it retails for $52. So I think that's expensive, especially comparing to some other K-Beauty retinoid products like Beauty of Joseon or, you know. So it's expensive, and the tube is a lot smaller. So I guess that's shrinkflation or something. I don't know. Okay, last but not least, the It Factor. So it's a decent retinoid, one of the more pricey ones as K-Beauty goes. If you're on a budget, I recommend the Beauty of Joseon Retinal Revive Eye Cream, which is really nice. The Geek and Gorgeous A-Game serums are very nice. Other dupes and alternatives, the Eczema Honey Concentrated Cocktail Renewal Cream, the Sika Sikanoid Retinol Cream, the Youth to the People Retinol and Niacinamide Youth Cream, and the Peach and Lily Retinol for All Renewing Serum. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 7. It's got a lot to like, but it's pretty pricey, especially with the new packaging. But overall, it'll be nice for most skin types. I think could handle using this pretty easily, even those newer to retinoids. So anyway, interested from you guys. If you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.